Hi, this is Eric the Parts Doctor. Today we're going to show you how to replace the upper dish rack water supply tube on your Whirlpool dishwasher. These instructions also apply to other Whirlpool Corporation dishwasher brands including KitchenAid, Maytag, Jenn-Air, Amana, and more. If you need to purchase a new upper dish rack water supply tube for your Whirlpool dishwasher, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. The upper dish rack water supply tube sends water to the middle spray arm to clean dishes during the wash cycle. If the water supply tube is clogged or broken, the spray arm may not spin or may not clean dishes properly. To begin, open the dishwasher's door and pull the upper rack forward. The water supply tube is secured to the bottom of the upper dish rack and holds the middle spray arm in place. Twist the coupler gently to the right, then pull the spray arm down and out. There are 4 clips that hold the water supply tube to the assembly. To remove the water supply tube, release the 2 clips on one side by depressing the 2 retaining tabs and press up to release it from the rack. If you need to purchase a new upper dish rack water supply tube, you can check our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure you are searching with the model number from the tag on your dishwasher to make sure you are getting the correct part. Align the new water supply tube to the upper rack so that the back of the tube aligns with the back of the rack. Then, work one side of the water supply tube through the upper rack and secure the clips in place. Align the prongs on the middle spray arm to the gaps on the water supply tube. Connect the spray arm by turning the coupler to the right until it clicks into place. Then, push the rack back into the dishwasher and close the door. And that's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.